Have you imagined having the financial freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want? That's the power of smart money habits. Warren Buffett, despite being a billionaire, lives a life of frugality and smart spending. Let's uncover his secrets and see how you can apply them to your life. Number 1. Live below your means. Warren Buffett is a master of living below his means. Despite his immense wealth, he resides in the same modest house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. His humble approach to living is a cornerstone of his financial success. The story of Mark, a tech startup founder, underscores this principle. After achieving significant financial success, Mark resisted the temptation to buy a lavish mansion or luxury cars. Instead, he chose a simple home and drove a used car. This decision allowed him to save more and reinvest in his business, leading to exponential growth. Consider Sarah, a young professional who used to splurge on designer clothes and expensive dinners. Inspired by Buffett's frugality, she shifted her mindset. Sarah began tracking her expenses, cutting unnecessary costs, and redirecting her savings into investments. Over time, her financial stability improved dramatically, and she was able to purchase her first home without incurring debt. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself of joy. It means making intentional choices about where your money goes and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term pleasures. By adopting this mindset, you can create a financial cushion, invest more, and ultimately achieve greater financial freedom. Warren Buffett's lifestyle is proof that living simply can lead to extraordinary wealth. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Number 2. Avoid debt like the plague. Warren Buffett's distaste for debt is well known. He believes it's a financial trap that can hinder wealth building. His own life exemplifies this. Despite having access to immense resources, Buffett had always avoided unnecessary debt, ensuring his financial freedom and stability. Take the story of John, a software engineer. Early in his career, John accumulated credit card debt, believing he could manage it with his growing income. However, the high interest rates quickly turned manageable amounts into overwhelming burdens. Inspired by Buffett, John decided to eliminate his debt. He created a strict budget, cut back on non-essentials, and dedicated a significant portion of his income to pay off his debt. It took time and discipline, but once he was debt-free, John experienced a newfound financial freedom. He was able to save and invest more, setting himself on a path to financial independence. Similarly, consider Emily, a small business owner who took out multiple loans to expand her operations. When her business hit a rough patch, the debt nearly sank her. She decided to restructure her finances, focus on debt repayment, and avoid future borrowing unless absolutely necessary. Emily's business not only survived, but thrived once she was free from the burden of debt. Avoiding debt isn't just about staying out of financial trouble, it's about creating a foundation for long-term wealth. By steering clear of high-interest liabilities, you can allocate more resources to investments and savings, ensuring your financial future remains secure. Warren Buffett's aversion to debt is a powerful reminder of the importance of financial discipline and foresight. Number 3. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself isn't just about advancing your career. It's a transformative journey towards personal growth and resilience. Take Sarah, a single mother who, despite financial constraints, enrolled in night classes to earn her degree. Through determination and sacrifice, she not only secured a better paying job but also inspired her children to pursue higher education. Similarly, Steve Jobs famously invested in calligraphy classes, a seemingly unrelated skill that later influenced the typography of Apple products. His willingness to explore diverse interests illustrates how self-investment can lead to unexpected breakthroughs and innovation. Moreover, investing in yourself means prioritizing mental and physical well-being. Consider Serena Williams, who not only trains rigorously but also invests in mental resilience strategies, enabling her to dominate the tennis world despite numerous setbacks. Ultimately, investing in yourself is about nurturing skills, knowledge, and health, positioning you to overcome challenges and seize opportunities. Whether it's through education, skill building, or self-care, the journey of self-investment empowers individuals to thrive and excel in every aspect of life. Number 4, be patient and think long-term. Warren Buffett's patience and long-term vision have been key to his legendary success. In 1988, Buffett invested heavily in Coca-Cola, and despite market volatility, he held onto those shares for decades. This unwavering commitment to a long-term strategy turns a significant profit, illustrating the power of patience in investing. Take the story of Jane, an ordinary investor with a modest income. Inspired by Buffett's strategy, she began investing a small portion of her salary into a diversified portfolio of index funds. Jane ignores the daily market noise, staying the course through market highs and lows. 20 years later, her portfolio had grown substantially, far exceeding her initial expectations. These real-world examples demonstrate a critical lesson. By thinking long-term and being patient, even modest, consistent investments can yield substantial returns over time. Buffett's approach teaches us that enduring financial success often requires a steadfast commitment to the long haul. It's not about getting rich quickly, but about building wealth steadily and surely, allowing time and compound interest to work their magic. Number 5, reinvest your profits. Reinvesting profits is a cornerstone of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy, and is a strategy that has paid off handsomely over the years. Consider Buffett's investment in Berkshire Hathaway itself. Initially a textile company, Buffett transformed it into a diversified conglomerate through strategic acquisitions and reinvestment of profits. This move multiplied the company's value exponentially, showcasing the power of reinvestment. Take the story of Sarah, a small business owner who started with a single boutique. Instead of taking all her profits as income, Sarah consistently reinvested a portion back into her business. She expanded her product lines, improved her store's infrastructure, and invested in marketing. Over time, her boutique became a well-known brand in her city, attracting loyal customers and increasing revenues. These examples highlight that reinvesting in profits isn't just about accumulating more money, it's about fostering growth and resilience. By investing, individuals and businesses can strengthen their foundations, explore new opportunities, and weather economic uncertainties more effectively. Buffett's success with Berkshire Hathaway and Sarah's journey with her boutique underscore the transformative impact of reinvestment in achieving long-term financial goals. Number 6, understand and invest in what you know. Understanding and investing in what you know is a principle Warren Buffett champions passionately. His success in stocks like Coca-Cola and American Express exemplifies this strategy. Buffett once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing," emphasizing the importance of deep knowledge in investment decisions. Consider the story of Mark Zuckerberg, who revolutionized social media with Facebook. He knew the potential of connecting people online because he understood the power of networks firsthand. By investing in his vision and knowledge, Zuckerberg grew Facebook from a dorm room project into a global phenomenon. Similarly, Tiffany started investing in real estate after years of working in property management. She leveraged her insider knowledge of local markets and rental dynamics to make informed investment choices. This approach not only minimized risks, but also maximized returns, as Tiffany understood the nuances that others might overlook. Investing in what you understand isn't just about expertise, It's about aligning investments with personal insights and experiences. Buffett's sage advice and real-life examples like Zuckerberg and Tiffany underscore how strategic investing in familiar areas can lead to sustainable wealth creation and long-term financial success. Number 7. Give back. Imagine a world where giving back isn't just an act of kindness but a cornerstone of financial success. Warren Buffett embodies this philosophy, famously pledging billions to philanthropy. His belief is simple yet profound. The more you give, the more you receive, not just in material wealth, but in fulfillment and impact. Take Melinda Gates, who co-founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Their efforts have tackled global health crisis and poverty, reshaping countless lives by channeling the wealth into humanitarian causes. The Gates exemplify how strategic giving can create lasting change. Closer to home, consider Chris, a tech entrepreneur. Despite financial setbacks earned in his career, Chris committed a portion of his earnings to local schools, funding STEM programs that inspire a new generation of innovators. His community involvement not only boosted his company's reputation but also fostered a supportive network crucial for business growth. Giving back isn't just about writing checks, it's about investing in causes that resonate personally. Buffett and others like Gates and Chris illustrate that philanthropy isn't just for the wealthy, it's a mindset that enriches both giver and receiver, fostering a legacy of generosity and impact that transcends financial wealth alone. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.